Hello kids, welcome back my YouTube channel. Today we are going to draw a beautiful cute cat and a cute dog. Let's start drawing. First I'll draw his eyes, his nose, his mouth. Now I draw shape of her head, his ears, his head. Now I'm drawing his mouth. Finally, I made some patches with his face, like this. His legs, his back legs, it looks sad. Now I'm drawing a cute dog. First I'll draw his eyes, his nose, his mouth, his cute tongue. Now I draw his face, his ears, some patches for his face, his front legs, his tail. I use big marker to make this drawing more visible. I use gray for the cat. I use pink for the nose. I use brown for the dog. I use yellow for his face, brown for his tail, light yellow for his body. Red for his mouth. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.